1 minute. Wait.
So I think we can start now. Isn't it? Harman sir, Samson?
Wait a minute.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm supposed to say the prayers, correct?
Yeah.
Pius is not loud. Pius is not loud. Okay.
Samson, why we need to wait? I mean, do you have anything specific?
No, I was connecting my Bluetooth to understand because I don't have that cord. That's why I'm waiting for 1 minute.
Okay. So you tell me when to start.
You can start till the time prayers will happen. This is a presentation by Nilesh. No, Nilesh, you have started, no?
Yes, yes. So good evening, everyone, and warm welcome for 5th virtual site visit by Basin Christian Business Association. It is already on, Samson. So good evening once again, and a warm welcome for 5th virtual site visit by Basin Christian Business Association, an initiative of Basin Christian Foundation. So this virtual site visit will be presented by King's Steel Safety Doors. We had 14 online knowledge sharing sessions so far, 8 monthly meetings on Zoom, and 4 virtual site visits through Zoom application, and today is the 5th virtual site visit. Before we commence the proceedings, a gentle request to be on silent mode and keep your surroundings also on silent mode, and then move to a better internet zone. BCPA म्हणजे एका चळवळीचा प्रवास, ख्रिश्चन उद्योजक आणि व्यावसायिकांचा, एका स्वप्नाचा, उपलब्ध संसाधनांचा वापर करून आपल्या समुदायासाठी उद्योजकता कौशल्य तयार करणे आणि एकमेकांची वाढ करणे, पारदर्शकता, वचनबद्धता, उत्कृष्टता आणि विश्वास ह्या तत्वांवर. So let us begin with prayer, and I request Harman D'Souza to lead us in prayer.
आपण प्रार्थना करूया. हे प्रेमळ पित्या, आम्हा वसईतील सर्व ख्रिश्चन व्यावसायिकांना बसिन ख्रिश्चन बिझनेस असोसिएशनच्या नावाने एकत्रित केल्याबद्दल आम्ही तुझे आभार मानतो. आमच्या असोसिएशनच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांना तू दूरदृष्टी आणि कृपा दे. त्यांना आलेल्या संकटावर मात करून सभासदांना चांगल्या तऱ्हेने मार्गदर्शन व प्रेरणा द्यावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा दे. हे प्रभू येशू, तुझ्या नावाने सभासदांनी ख्रिस्ती मूल्यानुसार एकजुटीने एकमेकांसाठी व्यवसाय संधी निर्माण करून मदत करावी व व्यावसायिक समृद्धी बरोबरच आमची आध्यात्मिक प्रगती व्हावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा आम्हास दे. हे पवित्र आत्म्या, आमच्या भावी पिढीतील मुलांना आम्ही आदर्श बनावेत. आमच्या व्यावसायिक कार्याद्वारे वसईची व सर्व सभासदांची उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती व्हावी अशी प्रार्थना आम्ही तुझकडे करतो. या आमच्या स्वर्गीय बापा, तुझे नाव पवित्र मानले जावो. तुझे राज्य हो, जसे स्वर्गात तसेच पृथ्वीवरही तुझी इच्छेप्रमाणे हो. आमची दररोजची भाकर तू आज आम्हास दे. जसे आम्ही आमच्या अपराध करणाऱ्यांना क्षमा करतो तसेच तूही आमच्या अपराधांची क्षमा कर. आम्हाला मोहात पडू देऊ नकोस, पण वाईटापासून आम्हाला सोडव. आमेन.
Thank you, Harman sir. Now I request Colin Sequeira to introduce BCPA, and then after that introduce the presenter.
One second, sir. Yeah, introduction of BCPA. It was formed and commenced working in the month of September 2016. It had been registered as a charitable purpose under Societies Registration Act, and the objective is to unite Christian business persons and to create possibilities of self-employment for the society at large. Monthly networking meeting for members, and I'm proud to announce that we have finished 50 meetings as of date. Currently, we have 300 plus registered members, and registration is possible online at www.bcba.co.in. Webinars, member presentations like today, stalls, discounts, sense of belonging has been a veritable hallmark of BCBA. Over to you, Nilesh.
So this is the list of activities that we had during the lockdown. You can see 14 knowledge sharing webinars which were open to all. Then we had 4 virtual site visits, including 1 international site visits to Estonia, and 8 monthly meetings so far. And today is effectively, you can say, 27th online event and 5th virtual site visit. So now I invite Colin Sikora again to introduce the presenter.
Yeah. At the outset, let me, on behalf of everyone present over here, let me wish architect Samson Gomes a very happy birthday. Architect Samson Gomes graduated from Rachna Sansad's College of Architecture way back in 2005. After 3 years of market experience, he ventured into the business of consultation and contracting on 10th of October 2008. From there on, there has been no looking back at all. From residential interiors to commercial interiors to bank interiors, and then land and flat valuation has been a few of his hallmarks. He has successfully ventured in all the 3 prospects and excelled in them very well. Now he has ventured in metal doors under the brand name of King's Safety Steel Doors. He will explain to you in detail, or rather in depth, of why and how you should use the products, their pros and cons. Over to you, Samson sir. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, BCF, for giving me opportunity. Today, I bring you doors. What is doors basically? Why doors should be used and why metal? Seeing the market scenario for the past 15 years, wood, लाकडाचा दरवाजा पाहिजे. लाकडाचा दरवाजामध्ये क्रॅक येतो तरी लाकडाचा दरवाजा पाहिजे. कीटक लागतात, व्हाईट हँड्स लागतात तरी लाकडाचा दरवाजा पाहिजे. लाकडाचा दरवाजा फुगतो तरी लाकडाचा दरवाजा पाहिजे. आणि लाकूड, we are not saving the ecology. So after being understood all the pros and cons of wood, sorry, cons only, not pros, I came into understanding कि everyone wants wood door, but safety पाहिजे ना. मग लोखंडाचा जोड, थर्ड प्लस क्वालिटीचा लोखंडाचा door त्याच्यावर लावायचा, and all the look of the wooden door goes in way. People don't understand कि लाकूड म्हणजे सेफ्टी नव्हे, स्टील म्हणजे सेफ्टी हे सर्वांना माहित आहे. So then I came to the conclusion कि why not venture into this business of doors where everyone needs the door. देवाने सांगितल्याप्रमाणे ठोका म्हणजे तुमच्यासाठी दार उघडले जाईल. आणि दरवाजा हे मेन आहे घरामध्ये येण्यासाठी. So I started this venture 3 weeks back. On Sunday I opened the shop. Many people helped me in this scenario, from website to brochures to leaflets to show off to interior to finishing everything from the BCBA community. I took maximum help. So then I started the showroom, and today I will present you how and why you should go for doors. Starting with, I will present you the catalog. This is the catalog of steel safety safety seal doors.
Samson,
So welcome to the King's.
Samson, have you shared the screen? We can't see the screen.
Okay, I will go again. Just a second.
Also activate your audio on the left bottom side when you share. Yes, we can see.
Okay. So welcome to the King's Safety Seal Doors. The brand comes by MS Safety Doors, who is the main importer in India. From there, we come and sell it in Palghar. Currently, we deal in Palghar area, Vasai Virar, Palghar district entirely. The door has many benefits. The door is of metal steel, thickness 70 mm, 13 locks in one lock. Just rotate one and the 13 locks tight. So then the thief has a problem where to cut the door. From bottom, top, side, base, he will get confused. We have more than till date supplied 5 lakh doors in India, and we see towards supplying in Palghar district also. We have given a technical show of what all we give in the door. There's a hinges, there is a eye hole, handles. So we go in deep that how and which metal doors you should go for. There is something called single door. A single door is a door. Normally, it should be used for the external. Now, these safety steel doors can be used anywhere in the house, but we suggest you to use on the external side. That is, main door, double door, single door. So this is a single door. Normally used outside kitchen otla, first floor balcony, and terrace door, where you want maximum protection from thieves, termite, water, XYZ. So this is a door where it can be installed. It comes in 4 types of sizes: the 38-inch width and 81-inch height, 42-inch width and 81-inch height, 38-inch width and 91-inch height, and 42-inch width and 91-inch height. So why 81 and 91? 81 is a typical 7 feet lining. So 7 feet is 84. So if it's a regular door, ki अरे हमचा जुना door आहे काढून नवीन लावायचा. So we remove the frame because when it's a 7 feet high, 3 inch goes in the tiling, we get 81 inch as a final size. So we don't have that much floor fold. We remove the wooden frame, we install this frame. It's a 2 to 3 hours job work, and you get a metal door, which looks like wood. And again, there is no change in the door, but the safety has changed. The termite resistance has changed. So these are the 6 options which the door comes in for the inner door, for the backside doors. People take for main door also, but I suggest normally go for other doors because we have still more to come. So anyone wants to have this, so he has to confirm what is the series he wants, then which type of size he has. If anyone has an inquiry, we can go and check the technical size on the site and give the quotation. Then there is something called window door. Mala kon chor alay mala bagaitha. Now who has come? I want to see the entire thing. Only keyhole doesn't give you the entire picture. So there is something called, this is a wooden door, window door. A door, inside there is a small door. So you open this and you talk with this person in front of you, and then if you want to open, you open the door or you don't open. This also comes in 3 types: window door blaze, grill natural, window door cage. This stainless steel also has copper finish also. That is a window door blaze copper finish. This is a new launch which is going to come. It hasn't arrived. So just in a brochure we introduced this also. There is one more series called mother and son door. People say, अरे मला छोटा आणि मोठा दरवाजा असेल तर असं चांगला वाटतं, म्हणजे मोठा उघडला छोटा पाहिजे तेव्हा फर्निचर आले, काय काय XYZ आला फंक्शन साठी. I want to have 2 doors. So this is the option for them. This is mother son door. So width is 4 feet and then more also, and height is again same, 81 and 91. Height we are restricted there because overall conceptual of Indian mentality and height and building design, this is a standard height which we are available. Also, kindly note, these doors are not manufactured, so you cannot get the size. They are directly imported. So we can give you the size as per the size of the door. Your size will, if the door has, if the opening has some little bit plus minus sizes, we open it bigger or smaller. We break it and then install the door and finish it with the plaster from inside. Normally these doors are pressed from outside. So you get the archetype frame. You see this frame? You see this frame? Very good. I will show you the real pictures also afterwards. There is something called Maharaja door. A big house, like 2,500, 3,000, 4,000 square feet. Again, needs a huge door with engravings, detailings, design to look a classy and big feeling. So these Maharaja doors are available in 8 feet by 8 feet sizes. These are basically high-end doors. It has 2 leaf and a big frame, giving you the experience of the classical and villa style. This is the twin door. I always suggest people, अरे मला लाकडाचा पाहिजे, मला लोखंडाचा बाहेर पाहिजे. Why? बहुत लोखंडाचा गया. 13 लॉक एका मध्ये 26 लॉक. It's like not possible for a thief to keep open it. It's not impossible. It's not possible, because impossible also has possibility. So we suggest to go with 2 twin doors. So wooden door plus frame and again wooden door is BOM cost. I will show you the cost detail also afterwards. Now there is something called composite door. Big house, double door by a double for 2 doors we need and then extra. So these are composite doors. So these also doors go. If a bungalow and they don't want that Maharaja door concept, so these 2 doors happen to go with the design, the functionality, and the aesthetics of the wooden door. All the designs are depth of 10 mm, that is 1 cm deep. You will not get overall India, or for any brand, you will not get this 1 cm deep of design. Both sides, because the thickness of the door is 70 mm, 10 both sides, so you still have 50 mm thickness inside. The benefit, nearly impossible to break into. I have explained you everything. Fireproof. The material uses these safety doors makes them resistant to fire. Nothing in India is fireproof. Everything has a capacity, so it's a standard 20 minutes difference. 20 minutes it can retain the fire. After anything goes for a wane, like that way. So eco-friendly. It's man-made. Man-made, that is, it's steel, which is iron ore, which is taken out from the ground, inside the ground. We are not killing the trees for the same thing. So if there's no natural material called wood, there's no expansion, there's no termite penetration. So it's eco-friendly. It's a rust-proof. Rust-proof is coated with 6 layers of color coat, so it doesn't give exposure of the steel. Then it's termite-proof, tough and long, visually appealing like wooden doors, and ease of opening. When you open the door, it opens smoothly. It's not cut. Sound doesn't come. This is the basic tips of installation. Currently, this you don't need because we are going to install, so you don't have to take care of why and how to install it. It's for when it's exporting to other countries, then we'll use this brochure. Now we'll give a basic comparison. Also basic comparison. Now wooden doors 42 inch by 91. That is 3.5 feet by 7.5 feet. So like a main door if you want to use. So frame cost itself costs 12,000 rupees. Door thickness 1.5 inch thick. So it goes for 30,000. That is 43 mm. PU polish, because पावसामध्ये door खराब होणार. So PU polish. I have written lesser cost as is a maximum cost is, and good cost is 10,000. Handle 1,000. 4 hinges 500, totaling up to 51,000. Steel door including installation, frame, X, Y, Z area items, maximum 30,000. The size of 42 by 91 gives you 30,000. So you can compare the difference, and you will understand there is no problem of 13 lock. You get only 1 lock. So huge difference. Cost comparison for double main and safety door, means the 2-door concept which I explained to you for the doors. Frame cost for the double door is big, 4 inch by 6 inch. So 18,000 goes for a frame. Door 2.5 inch thick, 3 feet 6 inch by 7 feet 6 inch, 30,000. This is one door, and this is safety wooden door, 30,000. PU polish for the main door, PU polish for the safety door. Handle hinges for the main door. 3 locks. Why 3 locks? Main door has 1 lock, safety door has 1 lock, and then there is something called deadlock. So 3 locks. So another we have taken 3,000. Locks and handle for the safety door. So total. Steel doors, shop for the website or see the mobile number. This is main door, safety main doors. Can everyone hear the sound?
No,
Hello?
no, Samson. No, no, Samson. You stop sharing and then connect the audio on the left bottom side.
But I will share the screen, no? Share. And then more.
No, no, not at Samson.
Then how to go about it?
You stop it, and when you share it, see there is an option on the left bottom side. When you share at that time itself.
Advanced sharing options? No.
No, no, no. You share it, and immediately on sharing, when you see the screen, see the left bottom.
Left top, that particular.
No, no, no. Now you have shared. Now you have shared. Before sharing. Before sharing, I'm saying.
Okay, stop sharing. Left bottom.
Now click on share screen. Then left bottom you'll see share computer sound.
Share computer sound. Click it, no? Okay, just see, check it out. Can hear no, na?
No, not yet. See, your computer sound is also active. I think Samson has logged off. Julian, are you there?
Is there any internet issue?
Sir. Hello.
Yes, Samson.
Yes,
Samson.
Shezal Ruchit. On.
Yes, yes.
Shezal Ruchit, are you there?
Yes, yes, we are there.
Yes, sir.
Start the video of the showroom.
Yes.
Doors, video doors.
We'll start with the video.
You see.
I'll start with it.
So welcome to the King Safety Steel Door. So today's video I'm going to explain about some features of this door. So this is a safety door which has a 30 locks in it, and this door has a wooden finish from outside, you can see, and it also has a grill installed along with a net which stop insects and mosquitoes to enter inside the room. This door comes along with the frame. Also, this is the main door. Door also has a 13 locks in it. And the design which you can see on this door is called Arctic. And these are the hinges which makes the door more sturdier. As you can see, the door. And this is a peephole. It's also installed as well. So now I'm going to show you the single door. So this is a single door. This door also has 13 locks in it. And this door basically used for the bedroom, kitchen, and terrace okla. And the design which you can able to see is also called as Arctic. And this door also has a eye pin in it, as well as the hinges are installed. And this entire door comes with along with the frame, as you can see. And so now I'm going to show you the window door. So this is the window door.
Ruchit, I think there's a problem. There's a problem inside.
Basically used for the flats and for the key. So this door also has a 13 locks in it. Sorry, sir. Wait a minute, sir. So this is a window. Sir,
You are clear.
open to see the mosquito to enter inside the room, and you can lock by this way. Just need to hold this, and it will be automatically locked. And this is a wooden finish from outside, and these are the pure steel door. And that's it for now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ruchit. Yes, Samson, you can take over now.
Yeah.
Ruchit, Ruchit has virtually.
Now I will show you one of the place. Hello.
Yes, Samson.
Okay. Now people ask the questions. की सॅमसन हे कुणी लावलंय का? आम्ही पहिले का? शिवाजी माझ्या घरी नको आम्ही पहिले का? So when we found out, let's see, ultimately these are imported doors. So someone was trading this business before, and 10 to 12 years he did the business. That was one company here in Vasai, Pathare and Pathare. Same concept, same importer, same place. So we tried out to find Ruchit Bankar. So we tried out to find how the door is worked out. So then we found and we found a location. There the door was installed 12 years back. And I will share the screen to show exactly the door is still going fine. Location is can you see the video? This is the showroom. Looking up to this is the main. The window door which Sushita has presented. Single door also which is presented to you all. And now the video of recording at Peter Fernandez house.
Stay tuned.
Everyone can hear?
Yes, yes.
वेलकम टू किंग सेफ्टी स्टील डोर. आमचे खूप सारे कस्टमरला डाऊट आहेत की डोरची लॉन्जिव्हिटी किती आहे, डोर किती स्टर्डी आहे आणि डोरची लाईफ काय आहे. तर आज मी त्या सर्व प्रश्नांचं उत्तर देणार आहे. आज आपण पीटर फर्नांडिस यांच्या घरी आहे. त्यांना टानिया बिल्डर्स ह्या नावाने पण ओळखलं जाते. तर त्यांच्या घरी आमचा जो मेटलचा दरवाजा आहे तो पूर्वी 12 वर्षापासून आहे. हा दरवाजा त्यांना दुसऱ्या डीलरनी सप्लाय केलेला, पण आज हा दरवाजा आमच्या शोरूममध्ये अवेलेबल आहे. मी तुम्हाला दरवाजाची स्पेसिफिकेशन दाखवते. जशी आमच्या शोरूममध्ये दरवाजाला 13 लॉकची फॅसिलिटी आहे. तिथे तुम्ही बघू शकता 13 लॉक्स आम्ही लावलेले आहेत. रबर सील आहे, फ्रेम पण मेटलची आहे. हे सर्व सेम टू सेम आमच्या शोरूममध्ये अवेलेबल आहे. वी आर द ऑथराइज डीलर्स नाव. हिंजेस दरवाजाचे आहेत, सेम आहेत. एव्हरीथिंग इज सेम. तर यांची पीटर फर्नांडिस यांच्या घरामध्ये हा मेटलचा दरवाजा 3 जागेवरती लागलेला आहे. मी ते 3 दरवाजे तुम्हाला दाखवते. हा पहिला दरवाजा आहे.
मधून बरोबर बाहेर आहे.
हा सेम मेटल डोर. हा सेकंड डोर आहे जो त्यांनी लावलेला आहे. आणि हा थर्ड डोर आहे. तर तुम्ही बघू शकता त्यांच्या घरामध्ये त्यांनी टोटल 3 दरवाजे लावलेले आहेत. आता मी मोनिका फर्नांडिस यांना इन्व्हाइट करते की डोरच्या बद्दल त्यांची काय विटनेस त्यांना करायचं आहे. सो प्लीज कमेंट इट फ्यू वर्ड्स फॉर अस.
Thank you. I've been using this door since the last 10 years, and it's very functional. We didn't have any other problems like the doors getting expanded in the rains and all that. Yeah, and it's very good. Like, we're happy with it.
ओके, थँक्यू मॅम फॉर युअर काइंड वर्ड्स. थँक्यू सो मच. तर आपण जसं बघितलं आहे आता डोरची लॉन्जिव्हिटी किती आहे. आय एम शुअर एव्हरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू हॅव दिस डोर इन देअर हाऊस. द सेफ्टी इज ॲब्सोल्युटली अमेझिंग इन दिस डोर. And now you don't have to worry about anything. Thank you so much. आमचा वेबसाईट आहे www.safetysteeldoors.com. आमचा फोन नंबर आहे 9210892210. थँक्यू.
ओके, हॅलो. तो एव्हरीवन अंडरस्टूड की हे डोर आम्ही चालू करायचं उद्दिष्ट म्हणजे सर्वांनी लावलेले आहेत. फक्त आम्हाला खबर नाही, पण मार्केटमध्ये खूप आहेत हे डोर्स. अँड वी वॉन्ट दॅट वसई, विरार अँड पालघर टिल पालघर these doors to be installed in new bungalows, existing reconstruction. So I am aware that we have a group of 350 people. एकाने एक रेफरन्स दिला तरी 350 every year 1111 350 700 1400 the multiplication will be different. So any questions anyone has regarding these doors? Yes, Raymond sir.
सॅमसन वंडरफुल प्रेझेंटेशन.
येस.
तर हे विचारायचं होतं की वेअर हाऊसेस आर व्हेरी क्लोज टू द सी, करोजन इज व्हेरी व्हेरी हाय. So there will be some amount of things. So what would be the life of a door where such places are concerned, where it's very close to the coast?
Close to the coast, the example is Peter Pan is close to the coast again. We are also far away, but that is more closer. The life, these steels are not stainless steel or mild steel. So both has different functions. When we go outside the countries, they have a mixture of stainless steel, then mild steel, then galvanized iron to some proportion. So that we tried that also. We thoda sa हमलोगों ने scrub किया एकदम detail knife लेके. It gives the feeling of a stainless steel look. Okay, वो भी हमलोगों ने दरवाजे पे try किया है. So there is no corrosion happening on this. Although color निकल सकता है, George VI ने मारा, तोड़ा, the color may come, but there is no corrosion. That's why we try to explore the houses which have been delivered with this type of doors 10-15 years back. There is no corrosion. No corrosion.
Samson sir.
Yes.
One question. Have these kinds of doors been tried to be broken by any theft? आज तक ऐसा कुछ हुआ है क्या कि someone has tried to break these doors and it didn't break, or is it completely unbreakable?
See, any doors, nothing is unbreakable. फंडा है वो काटेगा पर कितना टाइम लगेगा, ऊपर का एक लॉक, 2 लॉक, 13 लॉक काटेगा. When you cut it, he has to have the cutter, and cutter makes the maximum sound, so anyone gets up. If I let anyone to cut the door, आवाज आ रहा है जोर से. दिन में when you see the लोखंड का दरवाजा बनता है the shop में, इतना आवाज आता है. So same type, when you cut any door, it's a metal door. You can cut it, but sound is so much. They get up. They have to cut not 1 lock, 13 locks. So it becomes difficult for that thing.
Got it, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir. One more point, sir. Can I join you in this business? What is the scope for someone else to join this business?
People joining in the business, like I am approaching real estate agents, contractors, architects, and builders. So there is a margin which we have kept. So anyone trying to help me out with this, we divide the margin and give it to them. तुझा हे margin आहे. Directly, because I don't have a contact for selling in builders. I have a contact in bungalows. So everyone has different contacts. So one person giving a contact of 100 people and 100 people giving a contact of 1 lakh people, not 1,000. So everyone, the profits are divided. It's not I who want to earn the profits, everything. The profits are divided directly. A person helping me to sell this, the profit is transferred. So when it comes 1-to-1, I will explain you, so I will call you tomorrow and explain what is the margin we give.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So
this is an open platform, so you cannot see the margin. It's not that I get commission. It's a commission. You are also selling the product. Today we are selling tiles. Today everyone means the shopkeeper doesn't sell anything in all. If we understand the basic concept, shopkeeper like tiles ka showroom, then what we call sliding window ka showroom, they don't sell. These are sold by the agents. Now we are their agents. Medicines are sold by Dash. I don't know Dash. I will sell you Dash. They are the agents basically because they know how to sell it. A salesman cannot sell a product because the person who has in-depth knowledge can explain what is the use of it. I can tell you why it is better than wooden door, so I can sell it. So
Samson sir, sorry to interrupt you. I would like to meet you because I have a nice proposal for you regarding this.
Yes. So I want everyone to say to me, sir, Samson sir, I have a nice proposal and let us collaborate. You, everything is there. You just have to come, show and finish it out.
Yes, sir.
I had come along with a client friend of mine, and for his bungalow.
I want all the people to say the same thing. I would want to come and explore the opportunity.
No, I had already come for the opening along with him, and one door for his bungalow is booked. Yeah, he liked the concept very much, sir. All the very best, sir.
Thank you very much. Still more questions I am expecting. Any questions, anything you have in your mind to open your mind from wooden to steel, you can open it up.
The question I have is, now you're talking about 13 locks. Just want to know, how do those locks open? They open with one key, right?
One key.
Okay. Now, the concept of the key it's completely depending on the key actually, because nowadays the thieves who are there, they will not take time to cut open the door. They will only try to pick the lock.
Okay.
So the lock has to be of exceptional quality.
Okay, the key, we have only 8 key set.
Okay.
8 key gum gaya, there is no option. We cannot give you replacement. Pura lock set change karna padega.
Okay.
We have only, there is nothing copy. So you have to preserve that 8 keys. If you misplace, I also don't have the key. I give you the entire set. Like this is a set of the key. इसके ऊपर मैंने लिखा है, क्या लिखा है दिख रहा है? Kings steel doors का main safety door का ये key का set है. I have taken out 2 and remaining are inside. This is the key set you get in your hand, and I am hands are up. If you misplace all the keys, there is a problem.
For one
What
single
happens if the lock खराब होता है? What happens if the lock is खराब हो गया? हो सकता है ना? So the option is 1 week we give you to replace. Samsung Pro 1 week में कोई चोर आएगा तो till the time you have to adjust with the tower board which we will install before taking out the lock.
Okay.
There has to be some option. This is the option. For
Okay,
at least 1 week you have to survive without that. If it goes correct, because it will not ever get a problem. 2 years warranty on the lock set. Getting it? Door का 1 year है. 2 years on the lock set. कुछ problem हुआ तो replacement directly.
Perfect. Thank
But
you, sir.
we cannot repair it. It's a replacement items, sir.
Okay.
How I should go in the market to, means first of all, if Harmony will help me in estate agents, there should be someone who will help me with the contractors. I tried to enter into contractor circle, but no one gives the time. Are busy. My person calls them, but they're busy. So my second person starts meeting them on set direct. I have to meet you. But then also there should be some reference check. Reference time. I want some reference help outs ki. Reference like BCB reference, but we don't have entire set of contractors here. We have multiple people. So I want help outs ki reference or let Herman said like that way. You come in, come out and sell the door. Raymond sir.
So Samson, I will introduce you to a person who is now actually from Goa Dimensions, but he is a member of Dimensions also now. His name is James Andrade. He is basically into lighting, but he knows a lot of architects.
Okay.
In fact, he conducts a program, 3 versions of Lights in Goa, wherein architects are actually called for that event. So I will connect you with him so that you get access to architects.
In this case, you have to connect me because
We'll do that.
So I want one connection. Now Julian, connect me. Julian.
Yes, I'm there.
You have to connect me somewhere, na?
I am. So, we will definitely try and get this particular. Try and connect it to. I'm going to my connection, but can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Yeah. Net connection. I think it does. So I've already spoken to my clients. So the current idea
You can refer the clients. My
is,
marketing person will go and just meet them directly. Ruchit is my person who is doing the circle.
Sure.
Hi Ruchit. Ruchit, hi Sejal, hi. Sejal come and screen Sejal. Sejal will call every person and Ruchit is meeting each and every person. So Ruchit, maximum contact and Herman. I will share the numbers of Julian and Herman. Meet them. From there, you will get contacts directly to help it out. Okay, Julian, Ruchit will come.
Sure.
You are sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Samson, I'm sure you must have made a list of the contractors that we have.
Yes, I have that list. Entire list is ready.
Okay. So I think Bronson Dias is also coming up with the project, so you can approach him as well.
We made Bronson Dias of DBR Group. He took the brochure from Ruchit. Ruchit, what he said exactly? Just tell now. What happened exactly? Ruchit, nahi. So he met us. Just Nilesh, I want that you just call once Bronson की तुझ्याकडे रोड साठी कोण आलेला ना बघ ना काय मार्केट मध्ये.
Just yes, I will push.
सर थॉमसन लॅबरेटरी मी गेलेलो पण या टायमाला ते सध्या अवेलेबल नाहीये. सध्या
प्रॉब्लेम नाही. Nilesh will help it us. Nilesh will help us to get connected more. Okay. Aishwarya. Aishwarya.
Yes, sir.
तू तुझ्या डॅडींना आणलं पाहिजे होतं आज मीटिंगला असं मला वाटलं.
माझे डॅडी सर घरी नाहीयेत.
Good. So just put this across of idea. So and you message me personally your daddy's number. So my person will go and just meet him and just explain him.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I guess any more help? So I will try my maximum to go and insert in the.
Yes. And Samson, let me tell you, I mean, this is a fantastic product, excellent product, and we, on behalf of BCBA, wish you a grand success in this project. And along with this project, as Herman sir said, involve a lot of partners from BCBA also. I mean, they also benefit from this product.
Thank you.
So we are towards the end of the session. This was the, as I said, effectively 28th online session during this lockdown period, effectively 5th virtual site visit. And this site visit will be recorded and will be uploaded on YouTube channel. So Samson, you have an opportunity to share this YouTube channel and YouTube link to your other clients as well, so that they can see the live demonstration of the product that you have. And also good that you had the one testimony from Mrs. Monica Fernandez. So that is also a good concept that you included in this site visit. So thank you everyone. Thank you working committee. Thank you guests. Thank you Aishwarya. I think you are the guest. Thank you Ruchit.
Thank you, sir.
And team members from King's Safety Steel Door. Thanks everyone.
Thank you so much.
And have a pleasant evening.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
It was a good session, Samson sir.
Yes.
Excellent session. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, sir.
Bye bye.